are you? The ghost of Beals?
No. I am the
Wait! More like my angel.
I am here to get the 3 wishes.
Easy. First of all, I want fancy cars, fancy houses, and a lot of money.
See, Vincent, that's your problem. You want so much, you don't want to put any effort into getting it. Let me show you